outer space. We're gonna go take a tour of the planets. This is really crazy. We're driving our car in outer space! Ah!
Oh my gosh, guys, we're under Mercury.
Whoa!
Mercury is the smallest planet. Mainly dense metal, has many craters, virtually no atmosphere, has a weak gravity, very drastic temperature changes, has a 59-day rotation. It takes 0.24 years to revolve. If you don't like winters in Michigan, you'll love it in Mercury. It is very hot.
Oh my gosh, we just left Mercury. We have 31,248,750 more miles till we get to Venus. What a long ride.
Oh, that's going to be a long journey.
We're under Venus!
Whoa, what a long ride, but it was worth it. Venus is really similar to Earth, yet their day is longer than our year. They have a very thick atmosphere. It takes 243 days to rotate, and it takes 0.24 years to revolution. They have very hot temps. You can still get a very nice tan up there.
We just left Venus and we have 25,724,740 miles until we reach Earth. Well, this is going to be quite the journey.
Oh my gosh, we're under Earth!
We have now reached our homeland, Earth, but we still gotta keep traveling. Earth has 4 layers, an atmosphere, and tons of water. Our day is 24 hours, and our year is 365 days. We have oxygen, nitrogen, iron, nickel, and molten rock. We tilt on an axis.
We're just leaving Earth. It takes 48,678,200 miles until we get to Mars. We are so excited.
We're under Mars.
Mars is so cool. Mars has iron-rich rocks rusting on the dusty surface. 95% of Mars' atmosphere. It has a very thin atmosphere. There's no oxygen. There's carbon dioxide, very few clouds. There is water in the history of Mars. It's tilted on an axis. It does have seasons, surprisingly. There's volcanoes. Gee, that's a shocker. And it has 2 moons. Oh my goodness. The robots take a ride on the Mars rover to see if there's unknown life. God, I'm just singing a song about Mars. Gee, you guys are mean.
We just left Mars. We have 341,996,700 miles until we reach Jupiter. So excited.
Alright guys, we're just about to hit the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. We gotta make sure all buckles are on. It's gonna be a rough patch.
Oh my goodness, it's Jupiter.
Oh my gosh, how would we have missed that? Jupiter takes 0.41 days to rotate, 12 years to revolve. Oh my gosh, here, look at this. It's 60 plus moons? Oh my gosh. It has a huge, thick atmosphere made of mainly hydrogen and helium, and it's called the Great Red Spot in the atmosphere. And it has a rocky core, liquid methane, a liquid hydrogen and helium. Oh my gosh, and it even has a gas atmosphere.
We are just leaving the biggest planet, Jupiter, now off to the rings of Saturn. We have 404,556,000 miles until we reach Saturn.
Look, there's Saturn down ahead.
Saturn has 0.45 days to rotate, 25 years to revolve, and 31 plus moons. It is thick and has a gas, hydrogen, and helium atmosphere. It also has clouds, storms, and has rings which look like broad discs.
We are now traveling from the rings of Saturn to Uranus, or as Mr. King would say, Uranus. And we have 895,762,000 miles to go. Woohoo! We're almost there.
Lexi, there goes your food.
We've just about hit Uranus. Again, as Mr. King would say, Uranus. Woohoo!
It's getting a little stinky up in here. It takes 0.72 days to rotate, 84 years to revolve, 75 plus moons. It's very cold. It has a blue-green color from the stinky methane gas, and it also is tilted onto its complete Its axis is a complete horizon, not vertical.
Oh darn, you're now leaving everyone's favorite Uranus. Uranus. And traveling to the very last planet of the solar system, Neptune! We have 1,005,892,000 miles to go. Yippee!
We've now reached the last planet of our solar system, Neptune!
On Neptune, it takes 0.67 days to rotate, 164 days to revolve. It has 13 plus moons. It's cold, blue, and has visible clouds on Neptune. Neptune is also the farthest away from the sun.
Look, a comet!
A comet is made up of ice and dust. It orbits the sun and is very rocky and icy.
Stars are self-luminous and very shiny. Did you know you can see them all the way from Earth? And the sun is a star.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
We know now. Oh, we just made it back from the solar system. We are now back in the garage. What a long journey through the solar system. We all learned a ton about the planets. Hope you did too. It was a great adventure. Now we're going to go outside and see what it's like after being way up there for a long time.
Don't shut them hard, don't shut them hard.
We're on Earth. I haven't walked in so long. Oh, guys, I'm a little hungry. Ow! Balanced.
Oh, guys. Hey, it's not floating away yet, guys. I think I can actually eat it. Here, take one. Oh, food. Take some. I haven't had this in so long. Here, take some. Ow. Home sweet home!